I will go back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, I will go ahead and introduce you to classes. Alright, so we have classes in C# programming, and with these of classes, you can be able to make your code to look very good. And to start a class, it goes on with opening and close brace. Okay, you can create many classes and make your code to look very good. And then for every class you created, you can go inside the main function and call your class. So without calling your class is not going to work. Alright, so we have the first class right in here. You can create another class outside this. Maybe you can create something like go ahead and give it a class, and it's usually in lowercase, and then go and give it a class, maybe class company. You want to get the data of an employee. So class company, and class starts with open and close brace. Okay, so I want to get the data of an employee, and maybe you can go ahead and say public string name. Alright, for semicolon, and public string position for semicolon, and public string. Okay, let's say public int age, and then public int salary. Now plus semicolon. Now this the things we need the data of an employee that we need for this company. Now we have to go right inside the main function and call these. Alright, you can create as many of these classes as you want. But as a beginner, I have to start with the simplest, because I know most of us may not understand how to create classes. But just know you can create many classes as you want, but we have to start with the simplest. So this is a class of a company, and we need the data of an employee. And let's go inside the main function and say company. Company employee equal to new company. So company employee equal to new company, and then we go ahead and open a cruise parenthesis right there, and put semicolon at the end. Then the next thing that we need to do is here can I go ahead and specify, let's say employee dot name equal to Peter Paul for semicolon. Then employee dot position is equal to programmer for semicolon. Then next one is employee dot age is equal to 30 for semicolon, and employee dot salary is equal to $2,500 per semicolon. Alright, so this is an integer variable. It mustn't be a string. Just put 30 right there, and that is all. Now you can go ahead and print out this. You can go ahead and print out this. Let's see, we have a console dot write line. Then go ahead and say the name of the employee is, the name of the employee is percentage 0. Go ahead and put comma and go ahead and put in employee. So employee.name. Go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. So in a way, can go ahead and copy everything right here. Alright, so the next one is the position of the employee is. The position of the employee is employee data position. Employee dot position. So the next one is the age of the employee. The age of the employee is employee dot age. And the salary of the employee is employee dot salary. Alright, now you can go ahead and run this code. Let's check it out. Okay. Don't ever forget to put in console dot grid key. Console dot grid key. For a semicolon at the end. Run this code and check it out. So we can see the name of the employee is Betapol, the position of the employee is a programmer, the age of the employee is 30, and the salary of the employee is $2,500, okay? Alright, so now, we have seen this. You can go ahead and create more class. Let's go ahead and create another class. And let's go that class, class mass. Alright, so that is class mass. Want to use this to calculate, press in public double, public double, length, place semicolon, then public double height, for semicolon. Alright, so let this be base. Want to calculate the length of a triangle. Base. Alright, so we can also change the name of this from mass to be class triangle. Alright, so want to calculate this. So we have what is called a base in C#. Can you see that? You can just go ahead and put T-base, call that T-base. So you can be able to escape that error that will come up very soon. Alright, now go right inside here and call it class triangle. So, class triangle. Then you give it a new name. So class triangle, and let's call that my triangle equal to new triangle. Alright, so now for semicolon at the end. Okay, so we can go ahead and comment this. Go ahead and comment this so it doesn't print out. Alright, so now want to print out, want to take some mathematical calculations. You can go ahead and say that my triangle dot T-base, that is the base of a triangle, is equal to, let's say it is 4.6 and per semicolon at the end of that per semicolon. and my triangle dot height is equal to 8.9 for a semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and make some calculations. I'll go ahead and say the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is equal to half base times height, and half base times height is 0.5 is half. Exteriors my triangle dot T base. So my triangle dot T base exteriors. When I call exteriors, it means multiplication, alright? So exteriors dot my exteriors my triangle dot height for a semicolon at the end. Alright, so the area we are going to use have not been initialized, so go up here and initialize or area, double area plus semicolon, and let that be equal to 0 for a semicolon at the end. Now, you've carried out the calculation because it is half base times height. Okay, so what you need to do is go ahead and print that out, console dot write line, and then we go ahead and say the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is 0. Go ahead and put a comma, and put area. Go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. And now let's go ahead r__ and check it out. And the area of a triangle is 20.47 considered. So in a way, you can consider I created a class and a separate class for height and base. And then I went in and called a class and used that to calculate for the area, and it was fine. So here are many ways, there are many things that will call, and as a developer, we request you to call different classes, so whatever you're doing, it will help you to be able to debug your code very well. You don't need to run in right inside the main function to check everything. So you can go to a class, check what is wrong with this class, check what is wrong with the class, and check what is wrong with different classes, and then you can go ahead and work out with it. So this is just an introduction to class usage in C# programming. I believe that is very, very good. Put it down my own system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.